What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will share my experience with the Glowforge Aura craft laser, which I've had for almost a year. And I'll tell you right now that it hasn't been good, so buckle up. First, the concept of this machine is awesome. You can create a new design or use an existing design. Load the material into the machine. Then engrave or cut through hundreds of different materials, including wood, acrylic, leather, veneer, paper, and cardboard. And engrave harder materials, like metals and ceramics. The machine looks nice and it's easy to operate. Now let's get into it. This outlet on the back is the exhaust. It needs to be vented outdoors during use, which can be challenging. Or it can be used indoors with the optional Glowforge Craft Laser Filter, which is an additional $399. But I'm not complaining, it's necessary. It is what it is. I'm just giving you a heads up. If you're considering paying the $1,200 for the laser, heads up, you need to throw another $400 at it. But seriously, this is not pocket change for me, and this was a big investment. First, I will point out that when it's running, the whole room smells like burning wood smoke, but I have the filter, so I guess it's safe and acceptable? But that's nothing compared to the real problems. On this, it has successfully cut the perimeter, the holes, and engraved the stuff. And on the back piece, it cut the perimeter and the holes. It's all good. It works okay sometimes, and it has successfully made some things. Here are some more successful pieces with engraving and cutting around the perimeter. Now let's get to the problems. Here's a simple bookmark design. The blue lines are engraving, and the red lines around the perimeter are cutting. And here are the results. The lines around this engraving are nice and straight. But on this one, things got goofy and fell apart. And down here, things also got goofy and wavy. And what about the perimeter cut to cut out the bookmark? Well, those are all stacked up over here. They are all cut in the wrong place and ruined everything. And here's the top row. All of the perimeter cuts are wrong. And this is a common occurrence. I've had stacks of these things. Cuts in the wrong places, ruining everything. Wasted materials, which cost money. I'm just throwing money in the trash. And broken dreams. Thinking I can easily make something with my $1,600 machine, and I can't. And a massive waste of time. There have been many more than these over the last year, but I haven't kept them all. I've been discarding them. These are recent. So I got online and contacted customer support. First, they asked me for the serial number, so I sent it. Then they told me to print the Gift of Good Measure, which is a little Glowforge measuring tool that you can put on your keychain. It printed correctly, so they said my machine was good. And I said, no it isn't. They asked me to take pictures of the laser rails, the tracks, and the filter connections. So I did. They said maybe it's not clean, and I said I clean it. It's clean. They informed me that MDF board will ruin the machine, and I informed them that I've never used MDF board in the machine. They said the files that I'm making might be bad, and I informed them that I purchased official Glowforge files from their website. They asked for more pictures, and a video of the laser moving, and after 2 months of this, which was 26 emails, Glowforge concluded that it was defective, and I qualified for a warranty replacement. So I packaged it up to ship it back. Pro tip, keep the original box and packaging. For the first return, yes, you heard me right, for the first return, I had to build my own custom box, which was not ideal. Keep the box. So I set it out to be shipped back. I checked my security cameras, and this magnificent FedEx man picked it up and brought a new one a few days later. I'm not some weirdo into delivery people or anything weird like that. I'm just saying that this guy looked really cool. So I received the new replacement machine. I was so happy to have this resolved and ready to move on with my working machine, so I could fulfill all of my crafting dreams. But to my dismay, I had issues with this machine as well. I went through the 2 months of dozens of emails and troubleshooting again. And once again, I packed it up and received another warranty replacement. So this is my third machine. This is my current machine, and it is also having issues. I spent 2 more months emailing Glowforge and doing all the troubleshooting again. I requested a refund, and they said no. I demanded a refund, and they said no. Glowforge does not do refunds. Only warranty replacements. They want to send me a 4th machine. My 1-year warranty is up in a couple months, so this is the end of the road for me. Even though it would be great to see this specimen again, I am not thrilled with this. I checked the Amazon reviews, and combining the 1-star and 2-star reviews, 35% of people are having issues. Reading through the reviews, there are lots of complaints with cutting issues and no returns. I am definitely not alone in what I'm experiencing. So, at this time, I'm packing up number 3 to send it back for a replacement, which will be number 4, and my 1-year warranty will be up shortly after I receive it. Based on my personal experience, I would not recommend purchasing this, or doing business with this company that will not stand behind their product and not provide a refund. On the flip side, there are reviews of it working well, so if you want to take the chance, just be aware. There are no refunds, so be content with losing $1,600 plus the cost of materials and cleaning supplies if it doesn't work out. So that wraps this up. That has been my personal experience with Glowforge and their Aura craft laser. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.